dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with latest we go like share with the general public. And the cocoa now be say the camp of the People's Democratic Party they frown, they no get joy at all, while the camp of the All Progressive Congress they smile. Joy just full their belly, and that na sake of say the court of appeal wey dey sit down for inside Abuja don last drop their judgment. Dem now don drop their ruling on the 2024 Edo State governorship election, and dem now dey uphold the victory of Senator Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress. Now in a ruling delivered on Thursday, maybe the 29th day of May for this year, so maybe 2025, a 3-man panel of justices then dismissed the appeal where the People's Democratic Party, their candidate Asue Ighodalo, filed challenging the declaration of Senator Monday Okpebholo as the winner of the September 24th, 2024 Edo State governorship election. Reading the lead judgment, Justice Mohammed Danjuma in the yarn say the appeal is devoid of merit, and the People's Democratic Party and their flag bearer, their candidate to be Asue Ighodalo, then failed to demonstrate any miscarriage of justice in the earlier ruling of the Edo State Election Petition Tribunal, which has already thrown out their petition. And according to Justice Danjuma, the Independent National Electoral Commission, will be INEC, so they validly conduct the election and they rightly return Senator Monday Okpebholo as the duly elected governor of the state. And for the polls, the APC, their candidate to be Monday Okpebholo, gathered 291,667 votes. He used this massive number to defeat his closest rival, will be the candidate of the People's Democratic Party, that na Asue Ighodalo, man we gathered 247,274 votes, while the Labour Party came at a distant third position with 22,763 votes. And now the reason why men dey yarn about the election is because say the PDP, their candidate Mr. Asue Ighodalo, was not happy about the declaration of INEC. He was not happy with the way the election dey waka, so he now can challenge the outcome for tribunal, and they seek to nullify the victory of Senator Monday Okpebholo. But however, the tribunal led by Justice Wilfred Umpochikon dismissed the petition for lack of credible evidence, and the panel constantly yarn say the People's Democratic Party and other petitioners then fail to call essential witnesses such as presiding officers or voters to come substantiate their claims of irregularities. The judge dey let men dey know say allegations of non-compliance without solid proof from polling units or first-hand testimonies e no reach to invalidate a properly conducted election. And then take us say the judgment of the tribunal no go well with Mr. Asue Ighodalo. He now can carry the matter go appeal court, and now appeal court don still drop ruling, don still drop judgment wey no favour am. And guess what? He now don reject the judgment, and he now don drop announcement say he go contest the verdict, he go carry the matter go Supreme Court. And normally, my good people, the Supreme Court na the oga patapata of audio courts for South nation Nigeria. Now he don plan to go there to go challenge the ruling, the declaration of INEC, and every other level so don't play ever since the governorship election conclude for inside Edo State. But however, my good people, onto the ruling, onto the judgment of the appeal court, the governor of Edo State will be Monday Okpebholo. Him na don call on the candidate of the People's Democratic Party for inside the 21st September 2024 governorship election for inside Edo State will be Mr. Asue Ighodalo. Say make him accept the judgment of the appeal court kwanu where they affirm his victory. And no be like, my good people, you know say after the Supreme Court drop their ruling, the governor of Edo State can drop statement through his chief press secretary. And for that statement, Governor Monday Okpebholo they give accolade to the judiciary for their diligence and commitment to justice, and for once again demonstrating their role as the last hope of the common man. In the yarn say this ruling where the appeal court just dropped so is not just a victory of their party, which is the APC, the ruling party, but now a triumph for democracy and rule of law for inside Edo State. Then him now come dey urge the opposition and Mr. Asue Ighodalo say make dem reflect on the judgment, because last the prolonged litigation dey only serve to distract from urgent tasks of governance and delivering the dividends of democracy to the people. That is, him now dey yarn dey give the PDP and their candidates say make dem just accept the election, make dem just accept the rulings, make dem just accept the judgment wey don come from the tribunal, and now the appeal court make dem move on, make dem just accept am, because all these court cases e dey distract am from developing Edo State, e dey distract am from doing good things for Edo State people, and last it's not about personal interest, shebi it's about the interest of the people. And now the sweetest part of this informate be say no be only Monday Okpebholo, the governor of Edo State, wey don yarn give the PDP and their candidates make dem do the calms about the judgment, make dem just accept am. A prominent PDP chieftain, man wey be former governor of Rivers State, man wey be the current minister of the Federal Capital Territory, and that na Asue, him don also advise the People's Democratic Party and their candidates say make dem just do the calms and make dem accept the recent Court of Appeal judgment reaffirming Governor Monday Okpebholo's electoral victory. And him also dey urge Mr. Asue Ighodalo to make him put the interest of Edo State above personal or political sentiment by respecting the verdict and allowing peace to prevail. And then after every him now come dey congratulate Senator Monday Okpebholo on his affirmation by the appeal court, and he come dey encourage the governor to make him remain steadfast in delivering good governance. Him now come dey describe the ruling of the Supreme Court as a reaffirmation of the will of Edo people and a validation of the governor performance since he assumed office, since he entered as Edo State governor. And then he can conclude his statement by urging all stakeholders to move forward in unity and make them support the administration in achieving lasting development for Edo State. All these my good people na the statement made by the prominent PDP chieftain Asue, and this na the report, na the informate I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be reality latest gist. Now we dey like give una latest news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update, you like this report, and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey go get more news, me dey go get more informate, me dey go gather more reports, more intel for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.